English Literature Time from Read Now book for Grade 2. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students of Grade 2. How are you all? I hope you all will be fit and fine. I'm also good. Welcome back to our English class. It is our English lecture time. I'm your teacher, Miss Sobia Jamshed from Umul Qura Public School, Junior Branch MTC. As today is Wednesday, 13th January 2021, our today's topic is the elves and the shoemaker. Students, today we are going to do the last exercise of this chapter, that is answer these questions. As yesterday we have completed the question number 1 to 6, today we are going to complete question number 7 to 12. So now move towards class assignment, and all of you take out your English literature notebooks and maintain the page same like this. Hurry up students. Firstly, you will take out your notebook and draw the margin line. Then you will write day, date, month and year. That is Wednesday, 13th January 2021. Then you will write the topic. The topic is the elves and the shoemaker. You will underline the topic. Then you will write the exercise number 3. Answer these questions. You will also underline the subtopic. Now come to the exercise question number 7. So student, question number 7 is, what did he do on the next evening? They are asking about the shoemaker. What did he do on the next evening? So the answer is, he cut out the leather for 2 pairs of shoes. What did he do? He cut out the leather for 2 pairs of shoes. It is the answer of question number 7. Now come to the question number 8. That is, what did he find on the following morning? What did he find on the following morning? So the answer is, he found 2 lovely pairs of shoes stood on the table. He found 2 lovely pairs of shoes stood on the table. Question number 9. That is, what did the shoemaker say to his wife? Did you remember, student? What did the shoemaker say to his wife? The answer is, the shoemaker said, I would like to find out who is helping us. The shoemaker said, I would like to find out who is helping us. It is the first page of our question 7, 8 and 9. Now come to the next page where I have mentioned question number 10, 11 and 12. It is the next page. So here we have question number 10, 11 and 12. Question number 10 is, what did they see when they set up to the watch? What did they see, students? Shoemaker and his wife, what did they see when they set up to watch? So the answer is, they saw 2 little elves came running into the room. What did they see? They saw 2 little elves came running into the room. Question number 11. How did they show their thanks? How did they show their thanks? Answer is, they put pretty warm clothes and shoes for elves to show their thanks. They put pretty warm clothes and shoes for elves to show their thanks. Now come to the last one question, that is question number 12. What happened to the kind shoemaker and his wife? Students, what happened to the kind shoemaker and his wife? So the answer is, they became rich and happy for the rest of their lives. They became rich and happy for the rest of their lives. Student, it is the key of the hard work. If you will keep hard working in your life, so you will become happy and peaceful for the rest of your lives. So always keep hard working. Okay, students. Now come to our home assignment, that is learn answer this question 7 to 12. Okay, students, listen carefully. You will do your work very nicely, very neatly with the sharp pencil. Draw the margin line and don't forget to learn your home assignment. That is answer this question number 7 to 12. Okay, students, inshallah, tomorrow we will meet with our new lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.